Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how do you loop on Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So you want to go ahead and log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users and so on. So let's go ahead and see how you loop our tracks. The first thing we want to do guys is go ahead and click the plus button right here at the bottom part of the screen in the middle. That's going to open up this new page right here where we can get started with opening up our studio. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and import a file or we can voice record ourselves and so on, and we can get started with making our track and our loop. So the first thing you want to do guys is either go ahead and click the open studio option right here. That's going to enable you to go ahead and add a new track, or you can just go ahead and slide the track type option right here to the left until you find this option that says looper. So the looper is the option we want to select, and after you select looper guys, you have your looper packs right here, and here you can go ahead and find all the packs that you can use for looping. So this is how you can find your looper packs that you can use for your tracks. But if you just want to loop your normal tracks that you have, what you can do is open up your studio and keep on adding those tracks one next to another, and keep adding them as much as you want them to loop and how much you want to use them. But yeah guys, those are two ways that you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.